Hello, welcome back to the last day of why does a magnet stick to a refrigerator? Go ahead and put your name and date on your paper, all right? The first thing that we're gonna do is complete the paragraph by using the words in the box. You have 3 words. The first one is magnet, the second one is magnetic, and the third is magnetism. So it says a blank is attracted to some metals. This attraction is called blank. If something acts like a magnet, we say it is blank. Okay, so your choices are magnet, magnetic, and magnetism. Okay, next, we're gonna circle the word that completes each sentence. A magnet is attracted to a metal that contains blank, iron, water, or sand. So number 1 is a magnet is attracted to metal that contains iron, water, or sand. B, a magnet will stick to glass, metal, or wood. Then you need to look at the picture and color the objects that a magnet will stick to or attract, okay? Like we know that a magnet will stick to the fridge, right? Okay. When you're done, turn it in.